Some jerk pork I'm making today, yeah? Show you how quick and easy it is. All I need is a plastic bag, no holes. Get my stuff together and give you a look at what it looks like. So far, this is the pork that's already marinated. You know what? I'm going to take it out the bag. It's already ready. Right now, the aim for me now is just to finish putting through all the spices, through all the edges and the creases and everything to make sure it's gone all the way in, to make sure it's fully marinated. The only thing now to be added on this is a bit of honey. Now this has had Caribbean seasoning. Every single form of jerk seasoning you can think of is already gone on there, and all I'm going to do is take the honey now and just slightly glaze it over the spice that's already on there. Just slightly rub that all the way in. I'm going to put it into an oven, preheated oven, 200 degrees. I'm going to put it on there for maybe an hour, hour and a half, and then I'm going to wrap it up into foil and then put it back in there for a further half an hour. And that should definitely do the trick. Stay there. So this one goes straight to the oven, preheated oven. Just like that. Quick update. Jerk pork is in the oven, carrying on, getting nice and yeah, heat is good on that. Have a quick look at that. Yes, that's looking nice. Nice heat. Good. That's all right. Right, anyway, just a quick progress on what's going on at the moment. That's the pork's getting nice brown, looking all lush. So far, so good. Hey, quick final. That's the final on the pork. That's the jerk pork there, ready to go. I'll tell you what, it's like I'm already eating it. I'll give you it closer. Yeah? That's the jerk pork right there. All done. Good to go. From there, pop up to the top as close as you want it. That's what you call a proper piece of cooked pork.
Wine,